Hi. So today we are, I don't know where, but we are on a riverbed. That's Ganga River. And we have come somewhere around 250 kilometers away from Gurgaon. And the objective today was to make sure that we ride the motorcycles and we enjoy some more. I have brought my friend Rais's motorcycle today. Basically, my objective was to test his motorcycle so that everything is fine. And yes, everything is fine till now. And I will share more updates soon. Hi guys, so now we have reached Javar and we are at Starbucks and yeah, that's the bikes. And we thought that it's good to have some thing to eat and to drink, and it's just 10 right now. So now we'll be heading to the Ducati showroom because the new Multistrada V4 is coming over there, and I hope we get a detailed update about the new Multistrada V4. So stay tuned.